How to share any product on eBay to email directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any product on eBay to email easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to eBay. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is choose the product first. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna choose this laptop, click on it, and now all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here, click on those three dots and choose share this item option. Now swipe right until you find the email option. Click on the email and you will be able to share it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.